Welcome to this video on blockchain and cryptocurrency, the technology powering the future of global finance. We begin with the foundation. What is blockchain? It serves as a basis for trust in a digital world. Blockchain functions as a digital ledger with immutable records, meaning transactions are recorded chronologically and cannot be changed. This ledger is shared across a distributed network of computers globally. Each block contains data, a unique hash serving as a digital fingerprint, and the previous hash, linking it to its predecessor and forming a cryptographic chain. Network decentralization means there is no central authority like banks. This uses a consensus mechanism, ensuring no single entity can control or manipulate the data. The life of a transaction involves 4 steps: initiation, broadcasting to the network, validation by nodes using consensus algorithms, and finally completion when the block is added to the chain. Blockchain offers strong security, relying on advanced cryptography like the SHA-256 one-way function. The core Bitcoin blockchain has not been successfully hacked in over 15 years. Now let's explore how this technology powers cryptocurrency, acting as the engine under the hood. Blockchain is the foundation for cryptocurrencies, tracking ownership and solving the double spending problem without a central authority. Blockchain adoption is significant, with finance leading at 40%, followed by tech and infrastructure at 30%, supply chain at 20%, and government and miscellaneous at 10%. The benefits of crypto include instant settlement, a trustless system based on code, financial inclusion for the unbanked, and full transparency via a public ledger.